We at JCRC are proud to work in partnership with Agudath Israel in support of the nonprofit security grants and specifically support the work on expanding a personnel grant line in addition to the physical hardening line in the state budget. So thank you for your leadership, particularly on the personnel grant, which we're happy to support you on. What I'd like to ask you to do is to expand a little bit on the part where you talked about kosher and halal food. Members of the commission will recall that at the first meeting of the commission, when we presented the national strategy, we lifted up that one of the things it does is getting to this issue of belonging. And belonging, I think, is a word we've heard a lot recently here in Massachusetts with regards to the politics of those who want some communities not to belong. So I want to invite you to talk a little bit more about how providing for kosher and halal food, whether that's in public schools, whether that's in hospitals, creates a greater sense of belonging and how it resonates when a community is told that it belongs.
Massachusetts made really significant strides towards combating hunger with the passage of universal school meals in 2023. And I really firmly believe that all has to mean all, that all kids have a right to eat, right? We know that there are kids that are food insecure, that are coming to school and cannot access a meal because it doesn't conform to the standards of their faith. And that's just such a sad reality. And there are solutions to this. We see with two of our hospitals, Boston Children's Hospital and Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center. I want to give both of them a shout out for working with us. What we're asking for, the accommodation is so small. I sent some pictures to the commission. We're looking for like a tiny, teeny bit of space, right? And we have a mini fridge and a microwave. We stock everything. You don't ask for the hospital to pay for anything. We just need that little bit of space. And both hospitals have been so wonderful in partnering with us. The same is true for school districts. I'm very pleased to share with you that Boston School District and Sharon Public School District have both been able to come on board to provide both kosher and halal meals. I think it's important to provide meals that conform with everyone's faith. This is not just something facing the Jewish community. I think this is an area where the Jewish and Muslim community can work together to do something constructive for all of our kids on the ground right here in Massachusetts. These are the children we care about. These are the children we know, and we should be able to support them.